I highly recommend teaching grammar and sentence diagramming in conjunction with word problems in chemistry and physics and mathematics. It's very important in being able to solve them and break them down and understand them. SAT and ACT also. I find that a lot of the trouble people have in doing word problems is not the math, but parsing out the word problem, the sentences and the question, grasping what it's saying, getting to the essence of things. In some word problems, for example, you might have some object given in a sentence, then a bunch of prepositional phrases and descriptions, and then 20 pounds or 100 pounds or whatever, 100 kilograms, more sentences, more prepositional phrases and descriptions. People get thrown off by all that. They have trouble connecting the object to the 20 pounds. That's just a simple example. There are plenty of others. And the issue here, as we say, is not the math itself, but the English and the grammar, the language. We need to develop better language skills because that redounds into everything else. We use language in math and physics and chemistry, so we need to work on language in those areas too. Some people like to say, well, who cares about grammar? This is math. This is physics. We're not doing math. We're not doing grammar or English. But that's silly, because what did they just do? They used, we have to use language to make that comment in a physics or math class. That's just one example to see that that's mistaken. We need to think more deeply about things, reason into them, and more to the point, and a more fundamental issue is the fact that we need grammar to do math in the real world, to figure out word problems. Same with physics and chemistry and other fields of study. And a broader philosophical issue here is that shows that all knowledge is interrelated. It's all one whole. We can't just do math divorced from physics, divorced from grammar and English. So let's integrate. It'll help in life anyway. We need to use grammar and English in all our adult life when we're talking and communicating, writing, reading. It makes us better thinkers. Grammar is actually part of logic because it relates to how we relate and join concepts. There's nothing wrong with being able to communicate with people more effectively and efficiently without so much trauma. It's a good thing. It'll help us at work, make better advertisements, communicate our needs to our clients in engineering or in teaching or whatever. So it's going to be very important later in life. Whether or not some students get it right away, they will appreciate it later. So let's, in English, let's diagram and parse some word problems from math and physics and chemistry and economics. In physics, let's teach a little grammar, break down the word problems in terms of parts of speech so students can grasp what is being said and what is being asked. Same thing in math. This will help everybody out a lot, cause a lot less frustration and annoyance and headaches, make people more efficient, which is a good thing. Hope this helps, and you got any comments or questions, let me know. Hope you have a great day.